How's it going, guys? Yumtosh here, and welcome to another episode of Jailbreak Wednesdays, where I bring you the best tweaks of the week. And I haven't done this for a while, but we're starting off again today. And well, I just compiled out the list of the tweaks I might have left out in the previous Jailbreak Wednesdays, and I'm going to leave those in the description so you can check those out if you want. Well, let's get to the tweaks for this week. And the first tweak is called 9. And this is a tribute to iOS 9's notification center, and I really think it looks really good because it looks classy, and the iOS 10 and 11 just look a bit too much, like they're pushing it towards that minimalistic, simple look just too much, and this just looks really classy and I really like it. The next trick is called BetterCCXI, and taking a look at my control center right now, it looks different. So I've actually got CC modules here to rearrange the control center modules, but BetterCCXI allows me to change the sizes of the connectivity, what I call it, tab, and the music tab. So I've got the music tab as default, where you can stretch it all the way across the control center, and this is a really cool tweak. I really like it. It gives you a new look to your control center, and that's always welcome. The next tweak is PicoBanners 2, and PicoBanners 2 is also a tribute to tiny bars from the ages of iOS 8 and iOS 9, and you basically get small notification banners, and I'm just going to show you now. I'm going to send a message to this device over here, and as you can see, the banner is like really tiny rather than that big one that you get. You can also interact with it, you can click on it, and you can also slide it up, although sliding it up is a bit difficult considering how small it is. But yeah, that's PicoBanners 2. And the next trick is called Tint IconLabels. So I currently don't have labels on my screen, but I do have a tweak called Boxy that gives me this look. Soon to get Zen HTML, so if you don't know what that is, you'll probably see it soon enough on one of my videos. So what Tint IconLabel does is basically changes the color of your labels, so all the tags that you have underneath your app icons. Like I said, I don't have it, but yeah, you can make it to any color you want. So if it would be purple, black, rather than just a standard white. So the next trick is called NoBetaNag, and I'm currently on the iOS 11 beta, and if you check my previous videos from not too long ago, you'll see that anytime I pull down my notification center and I push it back up or I unlock my device, it pops up saying you are still on the beta. So this basically just gets rid of that notification because it does get annoying sometimes. But yeah, this is really cool. It's called NoBetaNag. The next one is called Bad iOS Bad, so like bad iOS bad, and it basically does the same thing as NoBetaNag, but it also prevents certificates from getting revoked. I haven't really tested that bit of Bad iOS Bad just yet, but I'm pretty sure it works. I'm probably gonna leave like a yes or no on the screen when I test it out. The next trick is called Black Password View, and this might actually replace simple passcode buttons for me. So when you like try and get to your password menu, as you can see, it's a bit difficult to see actually, but that's actually like a black screen. I still have my buttons there, but yeah, it's pretty dark actually. So yeah, it looks really cool, almost like you're being incognito, that kind of stuff. The next trick is called Buy Sponsor Insta, and this is a bit self-explanatory. So you get rid of the sponsors in your Instagram app. And on to the next tweak, which is Mojito, which is a theme. So I don't know what's happening to my device here. This is the Mojito theme right here, like these rows 1, 2, 3. But here I have Anemone, and I disabled the apps for Anemone, so I kind of get like 2 themes in one, which is, I mean, I wouldn't argue about that. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I've got like on all my stock iOS apps, I've got Vellum on that, and all my third-party apps, I've got Mojito on that. So that's pretty cool. I'm cool with it. And the next trick is called NGX Play 11, and for those of you who have Apple CarPlay and you want to mirror your screen to your Apple CarPlay, well, you can do that now with this tweak. So you just mirror exactly what's on your device onto your car's screen. So that's pretty cool. Another trick is called Wii Vamp, and Wii Vamp basically plays the Wii music anytime you open certain apps. I'm just going to head over to my app store, and if you listen closely, let me see if I can turn that on. There we go, and it really doesn't stop until you kind of like close the app or lock your device. It's pretty annoying sometimes, so that's probably going to go off my device soon enough. And for the final tweak of the day is called Time to Unlock, and this is pretty cool. There was other implementations of this in previous iOS's, and you basically just enter the time and you unlock your phone. So right now it's 14:53, 2:53. So I'm just going to type in 2:53, and because I have a 6-digit, I have to add 2 zeros at the end of it. And there we go, my phone is unlocked. And this is pretty cool if you want to keep like switching your password, but you don't really want to have to remember and then forgetting passwords. So that's pretty cool. And that's been it for this week's Jailbreak Wednesday, and hope to see you in the next one. Peace.